Thanks for watching. I'm Prerna Agarwal, Technical Product Owner for The Guardian. Today we'll be giving you an update on Sprint 106 that lasted from December 8 to December 19. So just a quick overview of the agenda. We'll be talking about the Guardian roadmap. We'll be also giving you an update on Sprint 106 and talking about the issues that we tackled in Sprint 106. Then we'll be flipping over and giving you a short demo on Sprint 106. Then we'll be talking ahead of week of December 22nd, which is Sprint 107, and we'll be also talking about the issues that we'll be tackling in Sprint 107. We'll be talking about our upcoming releases, and at the end, we'll be giving you some of the ways that you can either submit bugs or policy requests through various different channels. Talking about Guardian roadmap, so we are actually continuing our work on the Guardian as a multi-workflow engine for independent data streams. We are working on the tamper-resistant policy and module export import. We are also working on the data entry updatability, and we are also working on some of our methodologies. And at the end, we are also working on the fine-grained policy workflow certification labels. Talking about Sprint 106, so in Sprint 106, we committed to 28 story points and we delivered 115 story points, which included 3008 capture, replay, and compare data of published policies, and 4077 update schema table, single table with background, which is a minor UI issue. Let's look at Sprint 106 demo. So the ticket what we'll be focusing on today is the capture, replay, and compare data of published policies, which is 33008. So in ticket 1886, we have introduced the capability of capturing, recording the execution and input data and then replaying them for a different policy context and comparing the results of the policy. The original implementation is limited to the dry run mode, but in many cases, it would be desirable to be able to compare the in and outs of the published policies with another policy. So in order to explain you in detail the implementation of this, we have actually recorded a detailed video if you visit our Envision Blockchain YouTube channel, and if you go and search for capture replay demo, you should be able to find a detailed demo of how you can actually capture and replay the published policy data in the dry run mode and compare it. This is very much helpful in case of you comparing the data and making sure that the changes what you have made in the previous published policy and then comparing the results of the data. So in order with the video, we have also documented a step-by-step process. So if you visit our guardian.hedera.com and under the standard registry under policy, you should be able to see a capture, replay, and compare data. And in this, we have actually used a VM42 policy as a reference where we have actually captured and executed the policy and captured each step with the data and then changed some of the calculation in the second version and compared the data and the results. We have also updated the APIs related to it. So we have two APIs where you would record the execution from a zip file and then you can return all the policies with the imported records in this particular feature. If you have any further questions, feel free to please reach out to us. So that was demo on Sprint 106. So looking ahead of week of December 22nd, we are looking at Sprint 107, which will last from December 22nd to January 2nd, 2026. So currently we are committing to 44 story points, which includes 4534 fine-grained policy workflow certification labels, 4743 data entry updatability, and 1887 tamper-resistant policy and module export import. Talking about our upcoming releases, our last release was on Friday, October 31st, 2025. Our next release will be on Friday, January 30th, 2026, which is end of this month. So talking about our community submissions, so there are multiple ways to reach out to us. You can reach out to us on GitHub. You can submit policy requests, enhancements, or if you find any bugs, feel free to please log those bugs in guardian/issues in our GitHub repo. Or if you haven't joined our Discord, you can visit hedera.com/Discord, and where there you should be able to see a developer-support channel where you can log any of the policy requests. Or if you can directly reach out to us, you can reach out to us on email at info@envisionblockchain.com or visiting our website, which is www.envisionblockchain.com. Thank you. Have a great day.